Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to start a new topic, recycle paper. Children, yesterday as we discussed about the waste and the different types of waste and how we manage the waste. There are biodegradable and the non-biodegradable waste. So today we are going to start the recycle the paper. Children, as we know, the paper is a biodegradable waste. The old used papers like old newspapers, magazines, used envelopes, greeting cards can be recycled. But how to recycle the paper? Now I am going to explain you how to recycle the papers. For this purpose, first cut the waste paper into small pieces and put them in a tub of water. Let the pieces of paper remain submerged in water for whole day. After that, make a thick paste by pounding the paper pieces. If you want to color the paper, so you can add the food colors also to the paste. And if you want to obtain the beautiful design, so you can add the pieces of flower petals or dry leaves to the paste. So that children, after that you should spread the wet paste on a wire mesh fixed to a frame and then spread the paste as evenly and uniformly as possible to obtain same thickness. Let the water drain off through the mesh. Now remove the layer of paste from the frame carefully and then spread it on a sheet of newspaper in the sun. So take care that the corner of the newspaper don't curl up. So this process you can make the recycle the paper. So children, you know the paper can be recycled and you should make the paper bags or the tissue papers. Children, plastics. You know the plastics are the non-biodegradable objects, so that the disposable of the plastics is a big problem. We can't imagine our life without the plastics. To understand this thing, the items are made of the plastics. And beside the items which are made of the plastics, polythene bags are used for the storage purpose, are commonly for the carrying the vegetables, fruits, clothes, etc. from the market. So children, why are the plastics is a problem? We know the plastic bags thrown carelessly on road and the other places enter and the block the drains in the cities. As a result, drains get choked and the sewer water spills on the roads. The children, some stray animals feeding on garbage dumps and often they eat the plastic bags in search of food. So these animals get killed in many cases. Children, we know the burning of the plastic bags cause the air pollution. And sometimes the plastic bags which are used for storing the cooked food items are those which have been recycled. And use of the recycled plastic bags for keeping the food items could be harmful for our health. So these are some of the reasons that we should not use the plastic bags. So children, what can be done? We should always carry a cloth or a jute bag whenever we go out for shopping. Do not use plastic bags for storage of food items. Do not burn the plastic bags or other items of plastics. Do not throw the plastic bags after use here and there. Instead, on a shopkeeper to give the items you purchased in a paper bags rather than a plastic bag. So, children, these are the methods so that we can done to avoid the plastics. So, children, we know the plastics have several advantage, but we can't use because it is the non biodegradable. Some advantage of the plastics: it is light in weight, it is strong, it's colorful in nature, it is cheap, easy to transport, and used to make many useful materials in day-to-day life. So children, these are some disadvantage. So we have discussed already that plastic is a do not decompose, so it is difficult to decompose plastic wastage. Some plastics are toxic in nature, so that it can cause the harmful disease. Some plastics waste destroy the beauty of a place. Of some plastics waste can block the drains. If the plastic enter into the digestive system of animals, so that kill them. So it is very dangerous for animals also. Children, plastics inside the digestive system of a bird, so that you can easily see the bird is kill them by the plastic. So children, some tips to remember: that use minimum plastics and we can reuse the plastics. So here is a method so that we can reuse the plastic bottles. We can reuse the plastics as a sprinkler system in the field. We can use the paper, cloth, jute bags instead of plastic bags, so that it is good for our nature, good for our health. Children, do not store food in the plastic bags because we know it is toxic in nature. Children, do not throw or burn the plastics. It can block the drains, cause the pollution, be eaten if by the animals. Children, do not put garbage in plastic bags and throw away. So we are generally doing this thing, but we should not do. Yesterday we have discussed about the composting and the vermicomposting. So always do vermicomposting. Composting with the help of the earthworm, because the earthworms are the gardener's best friends. We always recycle the waste paper. And do not waste paper, it can be again used. So children, degenerate the less waste, follow the proper practice of waste disposal. So children, I hope this topic is clear and you should understood about this topic. So children, today I am sending you book exercise of chapter 16. So you should complete the book exercise of chapter 16 in your book and then start revising chapter number 4, because in the next classes I will send you the revision work of chapter 4. Chapter 4 is sorting materials into groups. So you should start revising chapter 4. Thank you, children.